Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a couple of freebies for you to check out in the Gear Manager store. It's on the home page. I know it's time to get back on the Monday grind, but grind hard and it'll be over with soon, people. Now, the name of the first watch face is called Futorum CnD Fab 1. Very nice looking watch face, very unique looking watch face as well. Now, in always on mode, you get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2, but they both are going to be different, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance, which is awesome, right? Now, once the watch face is on, you do get an analog look, very unique watch face, right? So what I like here is that I got a second hand, and if I want to, I can make that disappear. Double tap on it again, I can bring it back. I thought that was very nice. Now, if I double tap right here, I can bring up the calendar, but if I double tap on the menu right here, I can bring it to this page where I can set my step goal. I can turn off the music or whatever. Hit that, check it off, and then go back in. So if I double tap here, just double tap until you go through all the different information that this box gives you. I thought it was very nice, very different, very unique, right? So I thought it was nice. I thought it was different. To be free, I'd say it's worthy of a download. Check this one out in the Gear Manager store. Watch face number two. Number two is called Futorum X06, very nice looking watch face. It's a digital watch face, not a bad look at all, and it's an animated watch face at that. Now, when the watch face is in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2, but they're going to be different as well. And I'm really liking the look for the Gears 2 a little bit better than I do of that on the Gears 3. But you can see your time at a glance, and that's what's important. But now when the watch face is on, I'm liking the design of this. Very different, very unique. You got animation going around the bezel of the watch. You got your digital time in the center along with your day and your money at the bottom. You get shortcuts down at the bottom as well. 3. And then in all 4 corners of the watch face, you also get shortcuts that you can tap into with no problem. I thought this was pretty slick, right? And also you got them down here. You can tap into your calendar. You can also go into your weather. You can also tap into your messages, make a phone call, alarm, and check this out. I know you guys are going to like this. And you can set a shortcut. Not a bad look at all. And for those of you all who are into your steps, here are your step status information. You can tap on it and go in deeper to get more information about your step stats. And I thought this was a very nice watch face. Considering that it's free, I think it's worthy of a download. But at the end of the day, it's all about you. So hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. The name of this watch face is called Futorum X05. The 3 might be the best looking one of them all. So let's take a closer look at this one right now. In the always on mode, you still get a unique look. I'm still liking the look of the Gears 2 just a little bit better. Not that much more, but just a little bit better. But just see your time in a glance. That's what's important, people. Remember that. All right. So with that being said, with the watch face is on, it's animated. As you can see, has fire coming from the bezel of the watch. That looks awesome. I thought it was a nice look. And remember, people, this one is free. Now, at the top, you're going to get your step status information. You come down, you get your day of the week, you get your month, and you also get a digital time. And also, again, you get information where you can tap into that application. So if you need to go in, you can. Not bad at all. You can make a phone call, set an alarm. All 4 corners, you get all your information, right? Your settings, you got your music. You also got, of course, your calendar. So I'm loving this watch face. I love what the developer brought to the table with this one. And again, just double tap here, and you can set your favorites. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, you all, let me know what you thought of these watch faces and if you're going to go ahead and download them. And with that being said, people, let's get on with the Monday grind. Get this day out the way. All right, you all, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I see you all at the next one. Take care.